is up, beautiful family? We're gonna put this bitch right here real quick, so we're not sitting here talking nobody's ears off. Today is going to be a little bit of a motivational video. Get your weekend started off right. Hell yeah! My bad if I'm screaming a little bit. Test is flowing. Got everything I needed to do done today. Feels good at 2:21. Let's go. Okay? Today, we are going to be talking about why you need to push yourself harder every single fucking day. It doesn't matter how you feel. It doesn't matter if you're fucking tired. I don't give a shit. Your goals don't give a shit. You sitting here thinking that, oh, well, I can take a rest day. Your goals and your dreams are not going to sit here and wait for you. It is that simple. You could sit here and say that you need the rest, that you need the bullshit. God is going to see this, and He is going to look at you and tell you that you are not doing enough. The universe is going to look at you and show you that you are not doing enough. This whole game starts with mental. You being physically and mentally fit, mental up here, you being fit up here is going to be so much better for your success. Yeah, you can have a sick body, right? But I didn't get here with a weak mind. I did not get to this point with a weak mindset. Yeah, you can sit here, work on the laptop for 10 hours. But if you have a weak mind, all that work has gone to nothing. You are literally doing nothing for your future self. You're doing nothing. And if you truly want to freaking win, you have got to build your mental. You have got to master this. If you do not master the key of your mental, you're screwed. Because this is everything. This is going to be the thing that tells you that you're tired. This is going to be the thing that tells you that you need to keep on going. And as soon as you physically train your mind to understand that you have got to win, rewire your entire subconscious, you will be able to push yourself to the next limit. It is that simple. You can push yourself physically, of course you can, but your mind is the thing that is going to get in your way. Your mind is going to be the one that tells you that you need the rest, that you need sleep, that you need all this bullshit. As soon as you train your mind to tell you that you don't need that shit anymore, this will make it so much easier for your success. Of course, get your rest, get your sleep, get this, whatever, right? But if you understand how to use your mind correctly, this business, this self-improvement game is going to be so easy for you. It is that simple because you sitting here putting in a whole bunch of action, doing all of this stuff, it's great, yes. But if your mindset isn't where it should be yet, you're cooked. You have got to realize that you are rich already. You have already got the business that you want. You've already got the car that you want. You've already got the house that you want. But you have just not unlocked that reality yet. And you have got to sit here and unlock it here. You have got to visualize this success. You have got to see it. You have got to be able to touch it, to smell it, to eat it. Pause on that eat. Okay? If you're not willing to sit here and visualize and put in the mental work, you're not going to make it. You're not. That's why people stop and that's why people quit, is because they didn't build this enough. They didn't see results and they're like, you know what? I quit. You know what? Next business model. You know what? You know what? You know what? Because you are acting on impulses right now. That's what you're doing. I haven't made any money yet. Time to cut this business out. Who knows? Tomorrow could have been the day that you made money and you would never know. You would never know. And that's what keeps me going every single day, is that today is a stepping stone. And like I've said before, you truly only have one day guaranteed. You do. You only have one day at a time guaranteed. And you sitting here wasting it, doing all this bullshit, you're not going to get what you want. So you have got to build the brain. You have got to build the mind. You have got to rewire your entire subconscious flip your paradigms. Do all of these things because these are the things that actually matter. These are the things that are actually going to help you be successful. And I don't see a lot of people talking about that. That you have got to build the mind first. Because if the mind is weak, you're going to give up. You're going to quit. Same example that goes for you in the gym. You're in the gym. You're pushing to failure. Who is the one that starts saying that they're tired first? You're realistically, your body is probably not even tired. But your brain is telling your body, hey, we need to cut it down. We need to slow down. As soon as you stop listening to these little bitch voices that go on inside your own head, you will make this shit significantly easy. I'm telling you right now. And you just have to master. You have got to master this. Master the game of reality. A lot of people, this is exactly how you should see this stuff. Every rich dude, every successful person that I have talked to, they see this as a game, not a physical game. It is not a physical game. You're not sitting here playing on a controller. You're not doing any of that. It is a mental game. Mental. Look at all of these people that are winning. Look at all these people that are successful. They don't bitch. They don't cry. They don't complain because they have rewired their entire mindset. And maybe you don't know you're doing it. Maybe you have no idea what you're doing. But if you can figure this out here, self-mastery is what I like to call it, you will win. It will be significantly easier for you to win. You have got to show up every single day. Every single day that you are fucking given, you have got to show up and make it better than yesterday. And like I said, yesterday doesn't exist, right? But you have got to be your better self every single day. And you are only guaranteed one single day of your entire life. You could die today. So you are guaranteed one day. You're not guaranteed 60 years. You're not guaranteed 30 years. You're guaranteed one day. Every single day. But you are guaranteed only one. So this is why you have got to live every single day and push past your limits. Mentally, mainly, physically. You have got to do this for you. And that is it. Who cares about your past self? Who cares about what happened in the past? Who gives a shit about the girl that cheated on you? And now you are the way that you are because this girl cheated on you. Nobody gives a shit. At the end of the fucking day, nobody cares. It is only you, and you have to be willing to put the work in for yourself because you are the only person that can save you. Realistically, nobody else is going to come in here and give you the lasso and pull you closer. No, it's not going to happen. You have got to pick up your sack. If you're a girl, I ain't gonna say nothing before I get canceled in this shit. But if you're a girl, pick your shit up. Pick your ovaries up. Nobody gives a shit, dude. Do this for yourself. And that is it. Because at the end of the day, you are the only person that freaking matters. You and God, and that is it. If you truly want to win, you have got to learn to be super selfish with everything. Everything that you have been given. Because if you are not selfish and you are trying to help people before you have helped yourself, you're cooked. You are beyond cooked. And there is so much things that I could sit here and tell you. But I want you guys to sit here and build the mindset. Build this first before anything, before you start the business. Take out all the negativity in here before you start the business, because I am telling you, I have gone through this trial and error situation, and I didn't do the internal work first. All I wanted was money. I felt like shit. I was stressed out all the time. I was pissed off because I did not do the self-analyzation that it took. And now I'm doing a ton of self-analyzation, trying to figure out every single thing, every single aspect of myself. And you need to do the same thing, because if you can't master yourself, what makes you think you're going to master the business? What makes you think you're going to be able to master somebody else? Because that's what business is. You are helping somebody else get to point A to point B. If you're doing coaching, consulting, that's what business is for me, right? That's what sales is. That's what copywriting is. You are helping somebody get from one point, one decision to another decision. That is it. That is basically what business is you are influencing somebody's buying decision to buy your service, product, whatever, right? So what makes you think if you can't master yourself, you're going to be able to master business? You don't understand how much people you have to deal with on a day-to-day basis. When I was running my marketing agency, I had 3 sales guys and a marketing guy, the guy that made the ads, all of this stuff. So all I did was do the human-to-human contact, talk my shit, so you know what I mean? So basically I was a salesman, right? Doing the cold calls, doing all of this stuff, right? Managing those 3 people, 4 people, whatever you want to call it, was insane. I was worried. I was freaking out because I did not master myself. I didn't understand who I was as a person. I didn't get it. And now that I'm mastering myself and pushing myself every single day to understand who I am, this stuff has gotten easy. It's gotten significantly easier. So I need you guys to do the same freaking thing. Rewire your entire mental and change your life. Please, please. You will not be lacking in anything if you are able to understand yourself. Hope you guys have a beautiful fucking weekend. We're still going to be posting on the weekend because why not? I don't know why my teeth look so yellow. It looks a little nasty, but whatever. It's whatever, right? Who cares? Who gives a shit? But I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend. I'm going to hit you guys with another upload tomorrow, too. So I hope you guys have a great Friday night. Don't do any degenerate bullshit tonight, please. Go and improve yourself and get better. If you guys need anything, if you guys need any help with anything, please do not be afraid to let me know. Hope you guys have a beautiful night. Nathan Brooks is out. Boom!